Softhealer technology. Today we will explore text synchronization functionality. For this, click on Xero configuration, go to the text page. Here you can see different configuration for text: import text, export text, auto import text, auto export text. Now if you want to import text from Xero to Odoo, click import text boolean, then click on sync text button. Here you can see a text already imported. Now go to the invoice application, navigate to the text menu and filter out using Xero configuration. Here you can see all text that will here you can see all imported text from Xero. Now go back to the Xero configuration again and click on export text. For export text from Odoo to Xero, click on this boolean. Again click on sync text button. Here you can see one text exported successfully. Now if you do not want to do import text and export text manually using sync text button, so through auto import text boolean and auto export text boolean, it will automatically import and export text using cron job. Now if you want to keep your newly created text out of Xero, so click exclude text default boolean. Now go to the text, create one new text, save and try to export using export text to Xero. Here you can see one validation error appears: no valid text to export. All selected texts are either empty or marked as exclude from Xero sync. Now if you want to now export, so force this boolean, save and again try to export text to Xero. Here you can see successfully exported. Thank you for watching.